In the light of the 2027 general elections, we wish to remind Kenyans who have not registered as voters to do so. A voter's card is your only voice in determining our leadership and an essential tool in improving government service delivery. This is not only a right to determine the direction of leadership of this country at all levels, but a citizen's duty. That is why we encourage all Kenyans to ensure they are fully registered as voters. We particularly appeal to our young people to make all efforts to get voters' cards after getting your identification card. This is one way of voicing your concerns by choices you will make for a better Kenya. Take your civic mandate seriously and register in readiness for the vote next year. Proverbs chapter 29, verse 2. Don't let anyone or anything discouraging you from getting a voter's card. In conclusion,